Hi guys, and welcome back to the Craft Table. Today I'm going to be doing I can't remember the name, diptych or whatever, but anyway, I'm doing the last part of this kitchen set that I made for my sister. And today is the 4 tiles. And I've pushed them all together. I'm going to be using her colors, the gunmetal, the titanium white, the bright red, and the brushed metal. These are all metallics, and of course my white. And I'm going to be putting them in the center and trying to blow them out so they all kind of match like a set would. And so, let's get to work, shall we? And there you have it. My set of 4, and they actually look like they belong together. It is just amazing, and how easy, and so little paint turns into such a beautiful, beautiful picture. She's gonna love these. All I have to do now is wait for them to dry, coat them with resin, and so far she's ended up with a really beautiful, I think, 7-piece set. Original too. You know, there's nothing that you can find in a store, and nobody else is ever going to have the same designs. It's pretty amazing what little tiny bits of paint can turn into. And I really want to thank you guys for stopping by and, you know, clicking on the videos, spending this 5-10 minutes with me. And I don't know what I'd do without you. It's so much fun. And I will keep working on my live YouTube skills, which is zilch to nothing right now, and I do plan on having some live painting for you. But for right now, video still videos, and I hope you enjoy them as much as I just love doing them. I hope you have a wonderful week, and I promise I will see you soon. Bye-bye.